Welcome to the session on Educational Psychology, Module 2, Session 11. A quick recap. In the previous session, we discussed about operant conditioning. In this session, we will understand applied behavior analysis in education, that is, increasing desirable behaviors. We will start off with understanding what is applied behavior analysis. Applied behavior analysis is an application of the principles of operant conditioning to change human behavior. Applied behavior analysis is a type of therapy that focuses on improving specific behaviors such as social skills, communication, reading, and academics, as well as adaptive learning skills such as fine motor dexterity, hygiene, grooming, domestic capabilities, punctuality, and job competence. Applied behavior analysis is effective for children and adults with psychological disorders in a variety of settings, including schools, workplaces, homes, and clinics. It has also been shown that consistent applied behavior analysis can significantly improve behaviors and skills and decrease the need for special services. We will understand science behind applied behavior analysis. Applied behavior analysis is referred to as science. It is important to understand what science means as well. The science behind ABA consists of efforts to understand the behaviors and stimuli being studied through various levels of description, prediction, and control. ABA utilizes description through its efforts to accurately and objectively describe the targeted behaviors under study. ABA utilizes prediction through its efforts to show that two events are related or are correlated. And thirdly, ABA utilizes control through its efforts to identify what variables reliably predict the occurrence of a behavior or event. Control is one of the most valuable methods that can be used by science to help us better understand our world. We will now look into the process of ABA. Applied behavioral analysts begin by assessing each child's unique needs. None of the ABA techniques take a one size fits all approach. Therapists invest significant time in evaluating children's skills and customizing interventions. ABA therapists work with parents or legal guardians to detail the goals of treatment. When working with an ABA therapist, one will determine which behaviors require change, set goals and expected outcomes, establish ways to measure changes and improvements, evaluate where you are now, learn new skills and or learn how to avoid negative behaviors, regularly review this progress, and decide whether or not further behavior modification is necessary. The feedback and regular review helps to improvise the process and makes it more effective. The length of time spent in ABA depends on the severity of the problem and individual rate of improvement. Six operant conditioning strategies can be used to increase a child's desirable behaviors. Those are choosing effective reinforcers, making reinforcers contingent and timely so that the child can relate the reinforcers with the behavior and consequences, selecting the best schedule for reinforcement, considering contracting. This will help them be more accountable for what they will be doing. Use negative reinforcement effectively. Use prompts and shaping. Prompts and shaping can be very helpful as each step towards the goal will be rewarded. They are intrinsically motivated to reach that goal. Summarizing the session, applied behavior analysis is increasing desirable behaviors in education. The analysis of operant conditioning helps to change human behavior. Here are some references to further explore the concepts. Thank you.